In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Monzo. Step 1. Open your banking app or access your online banking platform. Scroll down and find the Savings and Investments section on the Home tab. Within the Savings and Investments section, locate and tap on the option labeled Savings. You'll see a list of your savings pots. Tap on the specific pot from which you want to withdraw funds. And once you've selected the desired saving pot, look for the option labeled Withdraw and tap on it. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount you wish to withdraw and any associated fees or restrictions. If everything looks correct, proceed to confirm the withdrawal. Follow any additional prompts or instructions provided to complete the withdrawal process, and this may involve confirming your identity, entering a withdrawal PIN, or providing any necessary authorization. Once the withdrawal is processed, verify that the transaction has been successfully completed, and you may receive your confirmation message or see the updated balance reflected in your account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.